In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to daily journal Obsidian Mobile. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent setup so your daily entries are easy to create, easy to find, and always formatted the way you like. Start by opening Obsidian on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're in the vault where you want your journal to live, since your choices will apply to that vault. At the top left, tap the box icon to open the sidebar. This reveals quick access to navigation and, most importantly for us, the app settings. Now look to the bottom of that sidebar and tap the settings gear. We're going straight to the options that control daily journaling. In settings, find and tap Daily Notes. This is the feature that automatically creates a note for each day, so you don't have to name files manually. Inside Daily Notes, first choose your date format. Switch to a custom format so your titles are both readable and sort correctly. A popular choice is a year, month, day style because it keeps entries in perfect chronological order. If you prefer a more human-friendly title, you can include the day of the week or the month name. The key is to pick a format you'll stick with, since consistency makes searching and organizing effortless. Next, set the new file location. Choose the folder where your daily notes should be saved, such as a daily or journal folder you already use. Keeping all entries in one place prevents clutter and makes weekly or monthly reviews simple. Finally, set the template file location. Point this to the template you want applied each time a new daily note is created. A good template might include sections like intentions, key tasks, highlights, and reflections, so every entry starts with helpful prompts and you don't face a blank page. That's it. With your date format, new file location, and template selected, your daily notes will be created consistently and stored exactly where you expect, making journaling on Obsidian Mobile fast, organized, and sustainable.